very, very good defense, and you came up with some very big baskets there late in the fourth quarter. What got you going to perform so well on a big stage here today in a big game?
Well, I just knew my team needed me, and I need to step up somehow and help them score points or lock somebody down, and that's what we have to do. They have to clear my role and help my team out, because all we wanted was a W. I don't care about points or how many rebounds I get. We just want to go to the championship and win.
And you had the task of guarding their big player, Darley. Did a tremendous job on him late. What was your technique defensively going up against him today?
I did this thing in front of him, make sure he wasn't getting to his good spots, and basically just try to make sure he didn't get the shots that he liked.
Okay, Coach. First coach through to the championship. You guys have a chance to sit and watch the other games. There's a chance that you guys are going to see T6 again for the championship, as just as well you may see Wesley Methodist or H.J. Robinson. All three teams, strong offensive teams and high-flying teams as far as the big men inside. What are you doing the game plan going into tomorrow's championship game?
I think we just have to change a little more stuff. I think our defense, what I did today was actually change it up a whole lot. I ran a 1-2, a 1-3-1, 2-1-2, and a 3-2. I changed it up all the time to make sure that it was always confused. Didn't stick with one defense. And I have to say, I'm talking to Stuart, because he wanted to come at the game. That time we'll stay in the game. That guy is who you have to hold. Because he was getting to the bucket easy, and he had some good defense on him. But I think as long as we play our defense, we'll do good. I think we just have to watch the back of the game. Because if not, they got a lot of backdoor shots, and that's where we fall down. So we're going to close that up.
And yesterday you talked about you guys not necessarily focused on offense. All the focus was on defense. You've had a strong defensive game throughout the tournament, but today, in a key game, you guys brought the offense, as you mentioned. Stuart came through with some very big buckets there in the front. What are you actually down at halftime? So for you guys, this was a comeback, a very big win today.
Like I told him, I said, I like the first one you hit, but I was so upset you didn't hit the second one. Because he took 2 threes, he hit the first one and came back and missed the next one. I thought that's what I was mad at. We were supposed to hit 2 in a row. But I think with the defense, what he brought, it just kept the team going. And I think that made the team very confident that they can do it.
Congratulations, Coach. First team through to the finals.
Okay.
And in the final game of the day, it was the H.J. Robinson High